Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Learn Yoruba with me. I hope you had a great week and weekend. Let us get started. This week, we're going to do a recap just on our last two episodes, introductions and vowels. Remember, bawoni, hello, kini oruko re, kini oruko yin, what is your name, oruko mi ni, my name is, and odabo, goodbye. Again, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these. Then we learned vowels. Voweli. A, E, I, O, U. As well as the do, re, mi of the Yoruba intonations. So I hope there were not too much to go over. There are not too much confusion in those videos. If there are, let me know in the comments below. And I could do another video to help clarify those confusions. So this week, we'll be learning about greetings in Yoruba. In Yoruba, greetings is ikini, ikini, greetings. It's very important to get this down because when you see an elder in Yoruba, to greet them is an important, very, very important part. We even have a formal and informal way of speaking, as most languages do. The formal language, when you're speaking with an elder, an aunt, an uncle, a parent, a grandparent, you would always start the sentence with an honorific pronoun, e, e. That's very important to remember. Any sentence you want to start with, you always start with the pronoun e. And you would always end the sentence with sa or ma. Just a crash course in formality and informality in Yoruba language. And we also have an expression of greeting as well, which is ku, ku. You use this expression regardless of time of day, I mean. So, for example, you want to say good morning to your parents in the morning. You say e plus ku plus aro. Aro in Yoruba is morning. So when you conjugate those three different sections, you get ekaro, ma, or sa. If you look at ekaro, you see that it has three A's with three different intonation marks. Be very careful in sounding this out. Take your time, write them down, take each one character at a time, and you'll get the hang of it. So it's afternoon, and you want to say good afternoon to your parents. You would say e plus ku plus oson. Oson in Yoruba is afternoon. And the N in oson is a nasally, light, airy N. You never say as the English N. The only time you would do it is at the beginning of a word. Then you would say the N sound. So, e plus ku plus oson is ekason, ekason ma or sa. Good afternoon ma, good afternoon sa. Then let's say you want to greet someone at around 4 or 5. It is not afternoon, but it is not also like nighttime. You want to say you want to say e plus ku plus irole. So when you conjugate those three sections, is ekrole ma or ekrole sa. Then let us say it is 7, 8, almost 9 p.m. officially evening time, nighttime. You want to say e plus ku plus ale. Ale in Yoruba is like evening to almost nighttime. Ale. Ekale is the conjugation. So there are also many more circumstances where you would use ku, and let's look at them. Ku can be used when you want to greet someone who is working hard. For example, you are passing by maybe your dad working at a computer and you want to say, oh, dad, you're working really hard. Say e plus ku plus ishe. Ishe in Yoruba is work. Ekushe ma or ekushe sa. Someone who is working. Then on the other hand, someone who is not working, who is seated, just sitting, maybe watching TV or sitting or eating while sitting, you would say e plus ku plus ijoku. Ijoku in Yoruba is to be seated, to sit. So you say ekujoku ma or ekujoku sa to someone who is seated. Then let's say you come across someone who is resting, they're relaxing, reclining, watching Netflix or TV or whatever, not doing anything, just relaxing. You would say e plus ku plus isimi. Isimi in Yoruba is to rest. Again, notice the N in isimi is the light, nasally N. So you say eku simi ma, eku simi sa. So far, we've gone over various ways of greeting people in Yoruba. Again, take your time in sounding these out and getting the accent marks because they're very, very important. We have ekaro, ekason, ekrole, ekale, ekushe, ekujoko, ekusimi. Take your time with saying these. Practice it in front of a mirror with a parent, with a friend. It's okay to mess up because they will know that, oh, you're learning the language. So they will definitely give you more pointers, more help in sounding these out the right way. Thank you guys again for, your views. Again, subscribe, like, comment, and set the notifications below for many more videos coming. Practice, work hard, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you and bye.